It's alleged that convicted former ANC chairperson in the Northern Cape, John Block, along with his two co-accused, defrauded taxpayers' money amounting to millions of rands. It's further alleged they have contravened the Engineering Profession Act. Block was sentenced in 2018 for the trifecta case. Back then, it was found that he used his influence to secure lease agreements with various provincial departments at inflated prices.
Mr. John Block, much as he is serving time, much as he started serving his sentence in 2018, and that's making him eligible for parole either in 2024 or 2025 now. If he's admitted or given parole, then it will mean that he'll have to go home. But unfortunately for Mr. Block, he has been charged again with fraud, money laundering and corruption. But these are new charges which emanated from a transaction in 2003.
Block's bail hearing will be heard in the Kimberley Magistrates Court. In his last court appearance, Block appeared virtually. But what is the significance of this bail hearing, seeing that he is already incarcerated? Legal expert Thabo Molete details why Block needs to apply for bail on his new matter despite being behind bars. Block is still not eligible for parole and has to serve the minimum sentence of his 15-year jail term.
He has, in terms of Section 60 of Criminal Procedure Act, the right to apply for bail because he's in custody, and he can at any stage before the judgment can be made on this second charge, he can apply for bail. Now, let us zoom into why Mr. Block wants to apply for bail. One, if the parole board admits him to parole, then it will mean that Mr. Block will have to go home.
Molete says there's a clear difference between the jail term Block is currently serving and the fresh charges he's facing.
In the light of the new charge, Mr. Block would not go home because he has to face another charge. Much as he's admitted to parole, he has to face another charge, and then he will remain in custody despite the fact that he is on parole. Once on this new charge, you are admitted to bail, and the parole board grants you or admits you to parole, then it will mean that, one, you're going to finish your sentence, the 15 years at home, and second to that, you're going to be attending this new charge or this new case that you are facing, coming from home but not coming from the prison facility.
Meanwhile, Block's two co-accused, former Northern Cape Transport, Roads and Public Works HOD, Patience Mokali, and Babareki Consulting Engineering Director Tsegolekai Motahung are only expected back in court on the 10th of August. Reginald Vidboy, SABC News, Kimberley.